If you want to set a monthly reminder in Google Calendar, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a super simple step-by-step method to create a recurring monthly reminder so you never miss an important task, bill, meeting, or personal event again. Whether you're organizing work deadlines, subscription renewals, appointments, or monthly check-ins, this quick tutorial will help you get it done in just a few clicks. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log in with the Google account where you want the reminder to appear. Once Google Calendar loads, look to the top left and click Create, then choose Event. This opens the Event Setup window where you can enter all the details for your reminder. Now in the title field, type the name of your reminder. Keep it clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to repeat it every month. Next, choose the date and time for the first reminder. This is important because the first occurrence will set the pattern for all future repeats. After that, look for the repeat option. By default, it may say, does not repeat. Click that menu and then select monthly. This tells Google Calendar to automatically repeat the event every month without you having to manually recreate it. If you want more control, you can choose custom instead. This is useful if you need the reminder to repeat on a specific day of the month, like the first Monday, the 15th, or the last Friday. Custom gives you more flexibility if the standard monthly setting doesn't match your schedule. After that, decide how long you want the reminder to keep repeating. If it's an ongoing reminder with no planned end, choose never. If you only want it to repeat for a certain period, set an end date instead. This is perfect for temporary projects, seasonal reminders, or short-term schedules. Once everything looks correct, click Done to save the event details. Then click Save to confirm the reminder in Google Calendar. After saving, your monthly reminder will now appear on your calendar and repeat automatically based on the settings you chose. You can always go back later and edit the reminder if your schedule changes, which makes this a really flexible way to stay organized. And that's it. You've now set a monthly reminder in Google Calendar. It's fast, simple, and a great way to keep track of anything recurring throughout the year. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.